I'm going to show you how to do an incline dumbbell bench press. So you're going to start with a bench, obviously. You want one that does an incline. Some benches are already fixed to have an incline. This one's adjustable. So for mine here, all I'm going to do is lift up and put it so there's about a 45-degree angle there. So as I sit back, I'm going to really hit the top of your pecs. So once you have your bench adjusted, grab some weights that will feel challenging but not impossible. Okay? You're going to come over, have a seat on the bench, and you're going to let your chest lean back. Keep that lower back pressed into the bench, and arms come up out to the sides. And from here, you're pressing straight up overhead, and then coming back down. So as you do that press, you're pushing out with your breath, really breathing out. Breath in as you come down. So squeeze here, use those pec muscles, keep your core nice and tight, but you're going directly up overhead. Okay, incline dumbbell bench press.